Namaskar friends, myself Vaidyalika Gupta. Amvat, oftenly termed as rheumatoid arthritis in modern medicine, start with small joints and spread to whole body and sometimes create permanent disability in joints. How and why Amvat or rheumatoid arthritis occur? What can we do as home remedies and Ayurvedic medicine? And the most important question, if rheumatoid arthritis or Amvat is curable according to Ayurveda or not. These all questions will be answered today in Satwayu Ayurveda. Joint pain oftenly occur due to three conditions. First is Sandhivat osteoarthritis, Amvat rheumatoid arthritis, and third Vatrat or gouty arthritis. In Sandhivat, there is osteoarthritis which is due to Vata and start with weight bearing joint, while second is rheumatoid arthritis oftenly start with the small joints of hand and leg and occur due to arm and Vata, while the Vatrat start with the thumb of hand or the big toe of leg and usually have Vata and Rakta vitiation. We already published a video about the basic information of all these three. Let's talk about Amvat or rheumatoid arthritis. Amvat, it means arm and Vat, where arm is two things in India. First is mango, which is usually termed as king of fruit and very good in taste. And second is arm, a toxic agent formed in the body due to indigestion. This arm is really very harmful for the body. In Ayurveda, regarding arm, it is said as Jatranal Daurbalyad Vipakastu Yorasaha Sa Am Sangakah Dehe Sarvadosh Prakopana. It means due to low digestive power or slow digestion, a kind of digestive juice is formed which is toxic for the body called as arm. Why this low digestive power occur? There are many causes like excessive intake of food or water, taking food without proper digestion of earlier food, mixing of wholesome and unwholesome diet, it means samsan, or incompatible diet, or any kind of mental stress, depression, or excessive anger or mourning, or due to any kind of chronic diseases. All these conditions may cause arm. This arm is very toxic for the body. It may cause many kind of vitiation and symptoms in the body like blockage of small vessels, heaviness, laziness, indigestion, constipation or weakness, tiredness kind of feeling without doing any work, flatulence or repeated feeling of mucus in the throat. Such kind of condition may occur due to arm. This arm wherever go create a disease like in heart it cause rheumatoid heart disease. In skin it may create many kind of autoimmune skin disorders, and in joints rheumatoid arthritis or Amvat. This Amvat or rheumatoid arthritis have both kind of symptoms, localized symptom in the joints and generalized symptom in whole body. In localized symptoms there can be pain, swelling, itching in the joints. This itching and pain may occur like scorpion sting like feeling. Also in chronic rheumatoid arthritis, all large and small joints are involved, and in long term rheumatoid arthritis may cause permanent disability or deformity in the joints. Except that Amvat or rheumatoid arthritis have some generalized symptoms like polyuria, it means frequency of urination, or sleep disturbance or laziness, indigestion, gas, flatulence and heaviness in the body. Acute condition of Amvat is very painful and very distressing. Amvat or rheumatoid arthritis is seen more in women, especially after delivery, because according to Ayurveda, after delivery all the digestive system is slow, and at that time if the all pathyapat, it means dietary rules didn't get followed, or the cleansing medicine for the body had not been taken, or the rules of rest didn't get followed, then the woman may suffer the Amvat or rheumatoid arthritis condition. And many times women have habit of tasting their food at the time of cooking, and also many women eat remains of their child's or toddler's diet, and usually at that time these women are neither hungry and nor their earlier meal is properly digested. So these habits also cause indigestion and arm. And if such habits lasted for long, for months and for years, they may cause Aam Vaat. What is the treatment of Aam Vaat? First is Nidan Parivarjan. Nidan Parivarjan, that means avoidance of all the causing factor, is very important, because if causative factor did not get avoided, then after taking all the medicine and relief from the pain, you will again see formation of Aam and further Aam Vaat, in which you can do Suryakal Bhojan Vidhi, that means eating between the sunrise and sunset, and two major diet rule. Also, eating only when the earlier meal is fully digested, and avoidance of excessive intake of food or water. These all things are very important. In the women's too, earlier said habits should be avoided, and after delivery, every woman should follow rules of diet and physical activity. Second is home remedies. For home remedies, first is dried ginger decoction. It means sunth jal. Sunthi, that means dried ginger powder, 1 teaspoon powder in 2 liters of water, boiled and kept, and the person of Aam Vaat should drink this water every day. Also, carom seeds, linseeds or sesame seed, mixed in equal amount as a powder or as a whole with a pinch of black salt, is very beneficial if it is taken after meals, as it enhances the digestive power and also reduce the condition of Aam. And the person who have very painful condition of Aam Vaat or rheumatoid arthritis may apply dried ginger and white turmeric paste on the affected area. Except that 2 teaspoons of castor oil every night is very important and very beneficial for Aam Vaat or rheumatoid arthritis patients. What is the Ayurvedic treatment of Aam Vaat or rheumatoid arthritis? First of all, according to Ayurveda, rheumatoid arthritis or Aam Vaat is curable. It is treated in 2 steps. First is treatment of disease, and second is medicine for non-return of disease, which is also called Apunarbhav Chikitsa. In the treatment of disease, their Aam Vaat have 2 conditions. First condition is Sam and second is Niram. In Sam, the arm is present in a very extreme condition. That's why the condition is very painful, and the swelling, inflammation is also present in a very extreme manner. So in such patient, remember, massage will never help, and actually massage may increase the pain. Usually people think that any condition of pain can be treated with the oil massage, but in case of Aam Vaat, this is not true. In such cases, we do dry Swedan, that means dry diaphoresis. That means massage without oil with the packet of sand or the packet of salt or the packet of some leaves like nirgundi leaves or arand leaves. This is also beneficial. In many patients, when the condition is very painful, Jalao ka Aucharan, that means bloodletting through the leaf therapy, is also beneficial. And in the condition of Niram, when arm is not very extreme and the condition like swelling, inflammation, pain is also reduced, in such condition oil massage is also helping. For this, Sahachar Tail, Mahavishgarh Tail is beneficial. Except that many Ayurvedic medicines like Aam Vataridas, Mahavaat Vidhvansan Ras, Avipattikar Churn, Ajmodadi Churn, Tapyadi Lauh or Singhnath Gugul, Yograj Gugul, Amritadi Gugul are very beneficial in the such condition of Aam Vaat or rheumatoid arthritis. The Apunarbhav Chikitsa or no return treatment. For this treatment, first of all, you must remember that one should follow healthy dietary lifestyle. That is very important. Second is medicines to improve digestive power and appetite. If such medicines are given, then Aam-like conditions are never formed. And third are immunity enhancing medicines. If all these medicines are given, rheumatoid arthritis-like condition never reoccur to the patients. These all informations regarding the treatment system for rheumatoid arthritis is just for information. What is the condition of Aam? Which combination and which medicine is good for the patient should be only consumed after the proper guidance of Ayurvedic Vaidya. So consult an Ayurvedic Vaidya nearby you, or you can also consult us regarding that. So follow the suggestions, follow Ayurveda, eat right and stay healthy. Thank you.
For queries and to know more about Ayurveda, write us, and to connect with us, subscribe our channel. Thank you.